How to turn off comments on Instagram Reels. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Instagram and log into your account. Once you do that, go to your profile by clicking on the icon at the bottom right, and then go to your Reels section. Say for example I wanted to turn off comments for this reel right here. I will click on it, and then from the toolbar at the bottom left I will click on comments, and here in the comments section, once this window appears, you want to click on the three dots at the top right of this window, and all the way at the bottom you can see turn off commenting. So click on it. And as you can see, the comments now has been turned off and no one will be able to comment on this reel. Also, the commenting icon has just disappeared. So that was it for this video. That's how you can disable comments on Instagram Reels. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.